Okay, so this is how you're going to rotate your tires at home with just a jack and your spare tire. It helps if you have a floor jack. If not, you can do it with your scissor jack. It's just going to take a little bit longer. So first you're going to crack your wheel loose, and then after that you can lift her right on up once you crack it loose. So you crack it loose, then you can get your jack, find your pinch weld, find the thicker spot where there's like a double piece of metal on the pinch weld, that's a jacking point, lift her up. Once she's up, you can take the bolts off, then you're going to pull this wheel off. I'm doing mine diagonally, so I'm going back left to front right, and then back right to front left. So you're going to pull your wheel off, then you're going to put your spare on. You don't have to put the nuts too tight. You can just put them so the wheel doesn't fall off tight. Then you're going to move to the front. You're going to do the same thing. Crack your wheel loose, and then lift her on up. And then you're going to switch the back left wheel to the front right, and then take the front right back to the where you put the spare on. And wait, what is that? What do we look at that bubble? Wow, and I didn't notice it. Look at me, just oblivious. No, no, right in your face. No, no, you don't see it. No, no, no. I didn't notice that for probably another month, but it didn't pop on me, which was nice. Hopefully, you don't find any bubbles on yours when you do that, or I didn't, obviously. Anyways, so you're gonna put the back left on the front right, torque it up if you have a torque wrench, and then take that front right wheel back to your back left, and you're gonna lift her back up, take the spare off, throw the front wheel on, and then tighten her up, drop her down, torque her up, do the same thing for the other side. It's super easy. If you have a floor jack, it'll take you probably like 20 minutes, and if not, maybe like an hour or less. But yeah, thanks for watching.